Hey Joshua, this is Al from BoxBreakings.com here for your single person break of the 2001 Upper Deck Golf. Thanks for having the break with me, do appreciate it. So time check right now, it is 5:21 p.m. East Coast time. February 14th, happy Valentine's Day to you and yours. Let's get into breaking. Here's your golf box, 2001 Upper Deck. And good luck to you. Let's bust in this thing. Maybe we can break it right open there. Give you a nice little handle on it. And good luck. It's going to take a little while till I open up all these things, these packs. This is the hardest part of the break right here. Let me actually get my scissors. And see what we can do here. We'll do the preview packs last. The regular packs first. One more pack. All right. There we go. Finally can start the break. Here we go. Got your regular packs and your preview packs right there. So here we go. All that work just for this little amount of packs here. Crazy. Good luck. Let's hit something big here. We can get some autos of Woods. That's what everybody goes for. And we got Dameron, Daly, a Player, and Nicholas and Woods. Scott, Strange, Sink, Appleby, Woods, and Kite, Parnovic, Jansen, Paulson, Woods, and your Web Pass. And looks like Couples, Haas, Kokavecchia, Jansen, Woods, and another pass. And Laurie, Paulson, Feldo, Nicholas, Woods. Ogilvy, Chalmers, Lehman, Durant, Woods. Man, so young. crazy. Sabatini, Nelson, Woods, it's a nice card, Victory March, Sink, and Woods again. Montgomery, DeMarco, Clark, Jansen, Woods, Web Pass, Maggart, Hensby, Nicholas, Stewart, Woods, Smith, Allenby, Faldo, Stricker, Woods, Sindelar, Williamson, Nicholas, and those are nice cards there. Arnold Palmer, Gallery, Woods. Ian Leonard, Tidland, Durant, Price, Woods, Pass. Baker Finch, Lehman, Durant, Woods, Stricker, Lehman, Woods, Nicholson, Nicholas, jeez, and Woods, Jacobson, Clark, DeMarco, Faxon, Woods, and Irwin, Lehman, Daly, Nicholas, Couples, Weinskopf, Garcia, Leonard, Woods, Pass, and Perry, Kuchar, Couples, Paul Lowry, and Woods again. Woods, obviously, I think you get the gist that all of the last cards are going to be Woods. I think everybody knows that by now. Sadler, Smith, Paven, a gallery of Nicholas, and last card of Woods. And Allenby, Irwin, Parnevik, Faldo, Daly, Clark, Stewart, Nicholas, Waite, Henry, Nicholas, Garcia, Woods, Calcavecchia, Nelson, Parnevik, Montgomery, last regular pack. Dully, Duval, Couples, Floyd, and next thing we'll do is get into the preview packs. So eight packs, and there they are, 8 of them. Here we go. Good stuff in here possibly as well, so not out of it yet. Irwin, and a nice little Tiger Woods there. It's always nice. O'Meara. Still looking for an autograph card. We'd love to see one. Rodriguez, Faxon, and Gary Player. Stadler, Rodriguez, and Venturi. McCord, Irwin, and a preview of Stewart. a Garcia, Strange, and Daly. Another Woods, O'Mara, May, Bob May, 2 packs left. Woosnam, Couples, and preview of David. Last pack. We have Parnovic, Nick Price, and Mark Calcavecchia. Well, there you go, Joshua. There's your box of Upper Deck Golf. And thanks for joining this one. Do appreciate it. You have yourself a nice evening on Valentine's Day here today. And let me know if you need anything else. I'll be out of town for the next couple of days, but I'll be back here Monday, so that'll be the next time I can get into some breaks. But I do appreciate you coming over here. Let me know if you need anything else. Thanks, Joshua. Bye-bye.